Welcome back to Quiz Pop. Today it's Guess the Object by Shadow. Ready? Let's play. Can you guess this object? The answer is smartphone. What do you think this shadow is? It's a wristwatch. Can you identify this one? The answer is headphones. What is it? It's a camera. Any idea what this could be? The correct answer is game controller. Can you recognize this shape? It's a key. What's hiding in this shadow? The answer is umbrella. Can you guess this mystery object? It's a guitar. Do you know what this is? The answer is soccer ball. Can you spot it from the shadow? It's a pencil. What object are you looking at? The answer is sunglasses. Can you figure this one out? It's a light bulb. What could this shadow be? The correct answer is bell. Can you recognize this cute object? It's a teddy bear. What is this two-wheeled mystery? The answer is bicycle. Can you identify this vehicle? It's a car. What's hiding behind this shadow? The answer is apple. Can you guess this useful tool? It's a hammer. What do you think this object is? The correct answer is backpack. Can you name this object? It's a microphone. Any guesses for this one? The answer is coffee mug. Can you identify this shape? It's scissors. What object is hiding here? The answer is table lamp. Can you guess this time-related object? It's an alarm clock. Do you recognize this object? The correct answer is sports shoe. What could this be? It's a water bottle. Can you spot the object? The answer is spoon. What is this familiar shape? It's a fork. Can you guess this kitchen object? The answer is kitchen knife. Do you know what this shadow shows? It's eyeglasses. Can you identify this tech object? The correct answer is laptop. What computer object is this? It's a computer mouse. Can you guess what controls the TV? The answer is remote control. What do you think this round object is? It's a wall clock. Can you identify this locking object? The correct answer is padlock. What could be hiding in this shadow? It's a flashlight. Can you guess this object with a flame? The answer is candle. What is this decorative object? It's a vase. Can you spot what's growing here? The answer is plant pot. Do you recognize this object? It's a book. Can you guess this little game object? The answer is dice. Which chess piece is this? It's the chess king. Can you identify this sports object? The answer is tennis racket. What round sports object is this? It's a basketball. Can you guess this piece of sports gear? The answer is football helmet. What object has these wheels? It's roller skates. Can you recognize this viewing device? The correct answer is binoculars. What would you use to see things closer? It's a magnifying glass. Can you guess this three-legged object? The answer is tripod. What mystery object could hold treasure? It's a treasure chest.